Guys, my client was looking for, guess what, less yellow, and she wanted more dimension, and then she had a lot of gray hair. But if you want to be blonde, you got to stop with the permanent color. So, of course, I started with the Malibu Sea Crystal Gel, and I got a lot of goop off there. Her hair was so much better afterwards. So I'm just going to go ahead and lighten up her front hairline. So I'm going to do some lightening, I'm going to do some dimension, and I'm going to do some gray coverage. So I'm just going ahead and doing her whole face perimeter area and brightening all that up and trying to blend away some of the grays, throwing a couple on the top. And of course I had my mantra of do not over highlight this, Elyse, do not over foil. But of course I did, not with the lightener though, but with the dimension drop. So here I'm fishing out some of her highlights, and I am using my extra large Nomad hair foil board, and I am going to put an angle with a level 5, 6, and then going into the 9, and then I'm going to blend the two together with a dry brush, doing that throughout the whole head. And then some of them need to be tipped out just because they're not bright enough on the ends, and then I'm going to go ahead and color melt again afterwards, and then putting the base color on at the root. And I'm using Magix 10 Lift 9 with Olaplex, and then my gloss is Colura Gloss in a level 5, 6, and then a level 9, 10. So I kind of mixed the 9 and the 10 and the 5 and the 6. And so I'm just going to go ahead and base and cover her gray. And now I'm just going to do a really quick color melt just to tone out the rest of the stuff that I lightened. And it's going to be so beautiful, guys. So I'm just going to squirt on that level 9, 10 and just comb it through a lot of combing, guys, just to make sure it blends. Again, doing it in the front. Now, when I get to the front hairline, I pull it all forward so it leaves more dimension behind it. So you're just having a little bit of dimension in the front with a lot of dimension towards the back. As you can see, I pull it all forward, and then I'm just go ahead and put that on the ends and then pull it through, and look how gorgeous she looks. The dimensions there, the blondes there, no more yellow. Guys, thanks for watching. Links in the bio. Have a great day.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.